Well, good morning, or whatever time of day you're watching this. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. My name is Anjoli, and this is my second shoot for the day, which you guys will be seeing in a different week, though. But I just got done with filming the Evershine disaster again, part 2. Whoop, whoop. Never mind. Don't mind me. I have allergies. I'm trying to stay happy and positive, even though Evershine. Yeah. So in this one, we're bagging some Hankins Painting Store drills for the square canvas from Evershine. I sent them the inventory sheet, so they said no problem, we'll figure it all out for you, and we'll tell you how many bags to order. They told me I would need 250 bags of different colors. It will equal up to 250 bags for the whole canvas. They said just order 200 and we'll just throw the 50 in there. I ordered 300. I tell them I'll pay for the 300. Just give me some extra square drills of different colors. Pick whatever you want, because you never know when you're going to be short-handed. So I got them on the 20th, and they shipped them out on the 20th. I got them on June 3rd, so it's 13 days. Should put an S back there, but allergies, sinuses, I can't think straight. Sorry, you're going to be probably hearing me clear my throat a lot. But this is where I store my extra drills when I'm done with the diamond painting. And this nice little thing right here, I just want to show this off. I got this from my mom, I think. I don't remember where I got it from. I'm pretty sure it's from my mom. But I have them separated real quick. I just want to show my square drills. And then when you go down, you'll see a little card that says round drills. And these are all my rounds. Well, since I have all these lovely extra round drills from Evershine screwing up, I am going to be putting those in the back over here as just extra drills in general. But I also do have a Ziploc bag where I stick all the, here they are. No, I don't think that's it. No. I do have a Ziploc bag in general that has extra drills in it that I've never opened. Let's say they give you an extra bag on your inventory sheet and you never opened it. Well, I have a box that I keep all my little trays in and the 100 million pens that they give you and 30 pounds of the wax you got. I put those in an extra shoe box. And I have a Ziploc bag in there for extra drills I have never opened. So if anyone ever needed any extra drills on the Margie Franklin, and I actually have those drills in round or in square, I have a couple bags, not a lot, like 4 bags of 4 different colors basically. And I'll have these too that I'm probably going to put in there because I have never touched these, I have never opened them or used them. But I also have extra drills. These are from projects that I've done. These particular. So let's say, okay, I'm short 310s, which I've been short on 310s already in round once. Well, I was looking and I'm like, okay, which one did I do that had 310s? And I grab it out of here first before I open one of those brand new bags, extra bags that I got from an inventory of a diamond painting that I never had to open. I always go through these first and just use them. Because I'd rather give somebody, if they need them, one of the closed little plastic little bags you get, you know? Instead of, here's some drills from a previous diamond painting I did. But also, if any drills ever come off before I frame them, that's how they are categorized. So I got the fall owl. Usually I stick the inventory sheet in the bag, as you can see. But I just want to let you guys know about that real quick. That's how I do it. I know everyone has their own little thing. And I noticed in the diamond painting community, we all have our own little OCD thing. So, so here we go. Now, you know, so I still have 300 bags. They messaged me and told me they forgot to ship me the extra 50 to make it 300. And I told them, that's fine, send them out. Any random 50 colors, since you already sent me out all the right ones that I'm going to need for the other canvas. I'm going to call it a day. So they both came in at the same time, even though this one shipped out later, a couple days later. I got it at the same time. I think this was only 8 days, and this was 13 days. I can't complain. I think you get your drills in the mail so quick. That's why I'm going to have to get a hold of Evershine, telling them what I'm short on. And hopefully they move their tushies. And I'll get it in maybe a week or two. Or less. Because I have gotten it, drills in the mail in a week from Kimmy Good Store. Bag feels kind of heavy. I thought something else was in it. So this is how they came in. And this is not in a way their fault. Because, you know, our postal service, they get hammered, so I don't get too mad. At the same point, this is only drills. So we're going to take a look at these. Ooh. I'm going to count these out later. Then I'll let you guys know if I have them all. So yeah, they're different writings. Some are black, some are gold. These are pretty. Look at the writing. That's a beautiful blue. Oh, and beautiful red. Very festive. Red, white, and blue. No, let me stop. There's no white. But their pack is very nice. But I will do the inventory, and he says there's 200 in a bag in these small little baggies. So I will do the inventory on the square canvas, which I gotta mark those canvases. They're both marked with the same number, TB1023. How do you know which one's a round and a square? No wonder why they sent me the wrong one at first. Right, let's open this little baggie here, which is weird because I have a label on both sides. I guess that's for the shipping people that it goes to. You don't have to worry about going crazy. All right. So these should all be squares, and they are squares. All right, and the 50 they sent me are a mixture of square and round, which I am fine, because I told them, you know, just give me whatever. It looks like there might be an open bag in here. I don't know if you guys can see it. See? An open bag, maybe. They're packaged nice. For it to be an open bag, maybe a cut. It looks like $6.77. Maybe there's a cut by accident. Because sometimes when these things go through the machine, it doesn't really seal sometimes. The side here. It looks like it might be coming out over here maybe. I don't know if you guys can see that, how it's so close to the edge compared to this one. Well, let's open it up real quick. Yeah, I told them the other 50s, just give me the right one I'm going to need for the canvas, and the other 50, mix them up and just give me, you know, any colors, because you never know when you're going to need them. No big deal. They're bubble wrapped. Then inside the bubble wrap, they're inside the crinkly sleeve that we all get. And I'm going to try to open it. Use my crinkling. Yeah, there is a bag that's busted in here, but to me it's no big deal. These are extra drills. These are spare drills, so it's not like I'm gonna have a hissy fit that I'm short, because these are spare drills for whenever I'm gonna need them. Move this over, and I have my little spare drills over here. But they all have different writings on them. Like this is in black and it's smaller. And I don't want to mix these up, so that's why I'm not opening those yet. And I think this is the one. Oh yeah, see there's a slit right there. It's a tear. So that's the culprit. So we'll stick you right here. You troublemaker. You started with somebody, they shanked you in shipping or something? You're being mean? Yeah, teach you a lesson. You get along with the other ones you're shipping with. Let me stop. So $9.66. So yeah, this is little black typing. I should say. This is that cute, pretty blue that you guys see in that package. So that's a pretty red. I like that. It's a bright orangey red. And Here's the blue writing. It's nice. Yeah, and that's about it. They're all in the blue or the red, or the small fonts, I should say, of the black. And I'm gonna do a quick inventory real quick with my canvas and make sure I have all the right colors. And I'll get back to you guys, okay? At the end of this video. So it'll be a second for you guys. It might be, for all I know, hours for me. So see you in a minute. Okay, I did inventory. I did have a lot of extra diamonds for each color, like a bag or two, which is good. The only thing I was short on was one color for this diamond painting, and that was $38.29. I was short of 3 bags or so, 3 or 4 bags. I didn't get that color at all. Sorry. So $38.29 is like an old gold color. But other than that, you know, I'll get a hold of them. They'll be fine. They're pretty awesome. Sorry, you're seeing my mess over there. They're pretty awesome. You know, they didn't even have to tell me they forgot to send me the other 50 out. Because, you know, some companies, they say they're going to do stuff. They don't do it. They don't even do it. And they let you know that, hey, there's a surprise. I didn't ship them out. And you find that out on your own. But they did. So I'll just get a hold of them. Tell them I'm just short about, you know, 3 or 4 bags of the $38.29. Which they should probably just ship it out to me. They're pretty good. So I wouldn't doubt their store. You know, we're all humans. We all make mistakes. I definitely double checked myself 4 times with these diamonds and the other ones they sent me to make sure they weren't in here. And I kept double checking the numbers if I'm reading them right. Because with my allergies and my sinuses being like this, I get very lightheaded and disoriented. So I'm all over the place. I can't think straight when I'm like this. I'll be in the car just sitting there. My husband was driving yesterday, and all of a sudden everything just starts spinning. And this is how I get when I'm congested and my head just feels like it weighs 1,000,000 pounds. So I just, you know, I had to double check. You know, for all I know, someone who did this for me was going through the same thing I'm going through. And we all make mistakes. And it's a small little one because I can't start this right away anyway because I'm still working on one. So it's not a big deal. Whenever I get them in, you know, at least it's not the huge ball drop like Evershine in general. So, yeah, that was it. I'm just short 3 bags. To me, that's not a big deal. You know, like I said, it's not like it's going through a computer system or something. No, they took the time to figure out how many I'm going to need by the canvas that I took a picture of. So it's no big deal. You know, I'll just let them know. They'll probably just send them out. So I have faith in them. I'm not going to have a heart attack about it. So that was it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. So far I am. You know, I just got to get a hold of Evershine now with that issue. Yeah. I'll keep you guys updated on that. So there'll be a part 3 for the Evershine fail. So have a good one. Bye.